Welcome back. This is Martin from Rate One Financial. Welcome back to another episode of Mortgage Mind. And here we are, tips and tricks number 5, and we're calling it inheriting somebody's good credit. Okay, so inheriting somebody's great credit. What does that mean? How do I do that? Okay, so what it means is, let's say, I'm just going to give an example. Let's say your mom or dad has a long-standing history with an American Express card. They've always paid on time. They've had it for 15 years. They've never had problems with it. They're an excellent customer. Your parents can actually add you on to that credit card as an authorized user, which just basically means that you can actually use that credit card to make purchases. But the beauty of it is you don't become financially responsible or obligated on that credit card to make the payments. It's still their responsibility. But by adding you on as an authorized user, you get to inherit all that great credit history they've established on that card onto your credit report. And doing that should bump up your score. Keep in mind that you want to probably do it with someone that you know and trust, because technically when you're an authorized user, that means you can go out and make purchases, for example, on that credit card, which they may or may not want. So there may be some restrictions there where maybe they can restrict you from having your own credit card, but in general, that's what becoming an authorized user means. But you can do it, you can inherit the good history. It should bring your scores up and help you qualify for a better loan if that's what you're looking for to make yourself better to a lender. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Number 5, stay tuned for number 6 next time. Please remember to like and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or wherever you saw us. Thank you so much. Hey, I forgot to mention one thing about authorized user accounts. Before you add yourself on to someone's account as an authorized user, make sure that account has a very little monthly payment due on it, or preferably no payment at all. That'll be better for you. That's it. Take care.